world records ever. From the longest human domino chain to the furthest ever walked on Legos to a guy balancing a car on his head.
What the heck are these records?
I don't know, but they only get weirder from here. Starting with this guy who smashed the most walnuts with his elbow. Boom, boom, boom.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
He's going really fast.
He has impeccable form.
I don't even think I can move my arm that fast. Much.
Oh, he missed one. He missed one.
Missed a nut.
He's getting tired.
He slowed down tremendously, but that's still so impressive.
Wow. That scream was nuts. You know what's cooler than smashing walnuts with your elbow?
Everything.
This 6-year-old kid.
Wow, that is actually, wait, what?
Yeah.
How'd I do that?
I don't even know how to put into words.
This tiny 6-year-old is taking the limbo skating world by storm.
Yeah, that's definitely a world record. I don't think anybody can beat that.
I didn't know that limbo skating was a thing.
How do you tell that kid, you're like, get back here, and then he scoots under a bunch of cars? Like, you can't keep up with him.
If you have a big butt, then you can never be a limbo skater. Kim Kardashian can never be a limbo skater.
Well, she can now, because she got her butt removed.
What do you mean?
She got her BBL taken out.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you keep up with Kardashian news?
I like the Kardashians, okay?
that.
This is probably not the fastest onion eating, because I watched a video of the Shrek Fest, and there's an onion eating competition. But shout out to Ryan Trahan.
Well, let's see if they beat this time.
Okay, let's see. I'm skeptical. That guy destroyed it. Their onions were way bigger.
That's what she said. Wow, he's eating the whole thing.
Well, you have to. It's an onion eating competition. You have to eat the onion.
whole onion. Wow.
Speed running, worst breath in the world. Wow, flat at 30.
And if you thought these world records were cool, keep watching. Most people to fit in a Mini Cooper.
I'm gonna say 6, maybe. Oh, they're like contortionists.
I just can't tell if this is real news or not.
I'm ready. We have 26 people.
26 people.
In a Mini Cooper?
Look at his face. That would suck to be the person who had to go in first and then have to wait for the 26th person to get in
Yeah,
there.
the easiest one would be the last one.
Yeah, dibs on last.
Imagine if you get claustrophobic.
3, 2, 1. Congrats. We got
Why the countdown?
They always do that. What's it gonna like burst open and they're just gonna come flying out like pool noodles?
Wow.
They're all just
They're very
dancing
excited.
around. Yeah. To be the record, he must type this specific sentence another 47 seconds.
So he's the world's fastest nose typer?
Does he have like no arms, or is he just like typing with his nose?
It looks like he has arms, he just isn't using them.
All right, beat it by 1 second.
Wow.
Shattered it.
Proud of his nose.
Hey, that previous guy's crying. Oh, is he jump roping?
No, this is the world's fastest jump roping with roller skates on,
It's probably the most in a certain amount of time.
which is the world's fastest.
Yeah, but you say it weird. He's going.
I'm gonna do this, but with high heels. I'm gonna find some shoe no one's worn, so I can steal a world record.
I think somebody's definitely done this in high heels.
Well, they didn't do it effectively.
You think you could do it better? Got a lot of high heel experience?
I saw him one time.
Hey, I don't know if this guy's name is Bill, but he looks like a Bill.
Headbalancer.com.
You think that domain's still in use? Does he really balance it on his head? Oh my God, Bill.
Bill doesn't have a spine anymore.
Holy crap. All it takes is one mess up and Bill gets folded like a pancake.
Hey, more impressive is on Sunday there's a duck race.
Oh, move out of the way, Bill. We're trying to see what time it is.
Longest frisbee catch by dog.
Now you got me. You got this, baby girl. Go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. That was also a really good throw. Yay!
109 yards?
She's so excited. She's like, yeah!
Yeah, give me a treat! Look, Dad, I caught it! Fastest 100-meter run on all fours.
By a person or a dog? Oh, person.
What is this music?
Metal. 15 miles an hour. I feel like you can run faster than that just on your legs, right?
Largest human mattress dominoes.
What does that mean?
This.
How is this a record?
Because they're the only ones to ever do it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Can you just throw together any two things? This is pretty funny though.
I wonder how many of them broke their knees.
I just want to go for these records that all these people, they were like, oh, no one will ever do this. We'll have a record forever. I want to do this so that way I can take it away from them.
I mean, we do have a world record.
Yeah, but I want to take this one away from them. Look how happy they are.
And so you want to cause them misery.
Yes.
Okay, you get the mattresses, I'll get the people.
All right. He caught a dog! That's a good dog catch.
Glizzy.
Wow, how far that glizzy go?
167 feet and 5 inches.
Wow.
So what you're telling me is none of you can throw a glizzy 168 feet.
I don't think I could.
I don't think I could, but I'm talking to them.
Well, that's a camera.
On solving 3 Rubik's cubes while juggling.
Wait, he's juggling the cubes, or is he juggling and also solving a different cube?
Juggling and solving.
Wait,
How?
how? He can spin them with his thumb?
That is wild.
Wow. Everybody that you know that thinks they're good with Rubik's cubes is nothing compared
I
to
can't
this
even
guy.
solve a Rubik's cube still.
I don't want to learn. Wow. You could have told me that was just pure magic, and I would have believed that way more than that
Yeah.
he was solving them.
Agreed. He's basically the modern day Albert Einstein.
Is this the most shirts put on?
He looks like someone proud of this record.
This is an at-home record. This ain't no Guinness.
He trained, he put thought into it, he knows. This is his record.
This is the most divorced dad. He's like, what do I do with all my free time?
Well, more important than that, here's the world's fastest clapper.
Oh, I've seen this guy. He's insane.
I saw him clap back to someone on TikTok.
Oh, get it? He clapped back.
He clapped back with some claps.
Yeah, he clapped back with the clap back. That's insane.
Crazy.
He's got to have well-lotioned hands.
Oh, this guy's gotta have well-lotioned hair.
Whoa, that's annoying. That's like, it's cool, but it's like when I got my nails really long, it was really impractical.
His hairdo can easily be spotted from a distance. Thank you.
Most consecutive pinky pull-ups. What? You could give me 100,000 years and I can never do one.
Why is that so funny looking?
Yo, he is jacked.
I wonder how his pinkies feel.
Pain. Good pinkies.
Most toothpicks in a beard.
He is attempting to put over 3,000 toothpicks in his beard.
Oh, that's cool. Now it's starting to look like a porcupine.
3,000 toothpicks in his beard.
I guess anybody could do this record if they just had enough toothpicks and time. I can't do this. You can kind of do it. You could probably do like one.
I could do 10.
Just made a new world record.
Hey, he's a porcupine now.
I'm more impressed that that's 3,000 toothpicks. That looks like 500. Most frying pans rolled out in 1 minute.
The current record is a flabbergasting 5 frying pans rolled in 1 minute. So Mama Lou is attempting 6 pans.
6?
Oh my word. She just folded up a frying pan.
That's insane though. You know, it's all about the technique. It's like ripping a phone book, I'm pretty sure. It also probably takes an insane amount of finger strength. 3, 2, 1. Hey, don't let this go over at your kitchen.
I can confirm that you've achieved a total
We just saw her do it. You don't need the suspense.
of 6 frying pans.
Whoa! She's like, wait, frick, I can't remember what comes after 5. How many did I get?
How many are on the table? How many are on the table?
Television is stupid. I'm glad it's dying.
And I'm glad quality content like us reacting to things is taking its place. That positive for human society. Woo! Grapefruit Ninja.
Come on.
He's good at it. Don't knock it.
We gotta stop this guy. What is he gonna do next? I genuinely have no clue.
Murder someone. He's an assassin.
I didn't see the yoga ball coming.
Stop!
If you ever need a president who has a head the size of a grape killed,
And the only way to do it is on a yoga ball with a sword. He is ready. Oh my god.
wow, that's pretty cool.
I want to knock it over so bad.
I know.
That was very satisfying.
That was weird.
Good job. I applaud you.
Oh, okay, I was about to say, I thought he was just walking on it. He's going back and forth. Wow.
Man has no fear.
We need some more Legos. We're running out of Legos. Is that a medic?
Oh my gosh, look at the bottom of his feet.
Oh my gosh.
Subscribe or we'll make you lock on Legos.
Do it.